Hello guys, welcome. This is Deepika from wealthandhealthmastery.com, and in today's video we are going to review a very popular semiconductor stock called as Taiwan Semiconductor. In this video we are going to see if this stock is a buy, hold or sell at the moment. So first of all, let's understand what Taiwan Semiconductor do. Taiwan Semiconductor makes and sell computer chips and semiconductor devices. Their chips are used everywhere around us. Their chips are used in personal computers, communication systems, cars, industrial equipment, and consumer electronics like DVD players, digital TVs, games, console, and digital cameras. The company was started by Chung Mao Chang on February 21, 1987 and is based in Hsinchu, Taiwan. Now let's take a look at how the stock has done over the last couple of years. So you can see here currently the stock is trading at $183.99 and the 52-week high for the stock is $185. In the last 1 month, the stock has gained almost 14%. In the last 6 months, the stock has gained 79.96%. Year to date, the stock has gained 81.22%, which is very good. And in the last 1 year, the stock has gained 85%. So it is almost doubled. And in the last 5 years, the stock has gained 360%, which is very good for this Taiwan Semiconductor. The PE ratio is 36.12. It is comparatively higher than its 5 years average, but it is still a good price point to buy the stock. Dividend yield is 1.44%. So if you are a dividend investor, this is a great news for you. So it also gives you a dividend. Now let's take a look at their earnings. So Taiwan Semiconductors in March of 2024, the revenue grew by 16.52%, whereas in December and September and in June, the revenue went down. Now, what was the reason for this revenue to go down in 2023? The main reason for the revenue to go down was the majority of their revenue comes from two places. One is the smartphone sales, and the other one we have is the AI industries, AI chips. So the demand for the smartphone went down in 2023, which affected the revenue of Taiwan Semiconductor directly. And that is why you are seeing a dip with the revenue in 2023. But now the smartphone demand has picked up, and in the next year, in the coming years, the demand for semiconductors will also has increased, and also the demand for smartphones have increased, which is going to directly affect the revenue of Taiwan Semiconductors. So in March of 2024, the revenue grew by 16.52%, net income increased by 8.94%, diluted EPS is 8.7, which has increased by almost 9.02%, net profit margin has went down by 6.49%, operating income has increased by 7.69%, and there is a net change in cash went up by almost 448%, which is very good. The cost of revenue has increased by 25.21%. So I gave you the reason for the stock, the revenue decline in the year 2023 is because of those smartphone sales. Now, there are a lot of popular companies that are there which deals with AI. You have Microsoft, you have Nvidia. Nvidia is number one in producing AI chips and graphic processing unit, but you cannot ignore this tech giant Taiwan Semiconductor. Taiwan Semiconductor plays a very important role in this whole AI spectrum. Even though its stock has gone up 65% this year, I still think that investors are missing out on the long-term potential of Taiwan Semiconductor. Now let's understand, where is this TSMC fit in this whole AI network? TSMC is the biggest semiconductor maker in the world, holding 61% of the global market. They make custom chips for their customers instead of selling general purpose chips. So let's understand what is the role of TSMC in AI. So for example, all these AI models, the big AI models like OpenAI, which is ChatGPT, then you have Amazon's Alexa or Netflix recommendations, all of these need a lot of data to work well. And this data is stored and processed in data centers which need powerful AI chips and GPUs to run smoothly. And TSMC makes these important chips. Most of these powerful AI chips and GPUs are made by Nvidia, which has benefited the most from the AI boom that everybody knows. Nvidia is number one in this AI industry at the moment. TSMC plays a very important role because they are the one who provide these advanced chips to Nvidia. So in this whole AI network, TSMC is a bigger part of this AI spectrum. So you cannot ignore. As I mentioned to you, the TSMC's revenue comes from two main areas. One is the smartphone and the other one is high power computing. A recent slowdown in the global smartphone market has hurt TSMC's revenue and was big reason for its drop in the first half of 2023. Although the company ended up the year well, it still hasn't gained all the momentum it had before the decline. So there is still a lot of potential in the stock in the coming years. Smartphones will still be very important for TSMC because Apple is a big part of their revenue, but AI chips could be a big bonus for the company. Because there is a high demand for AI chips, TSMC can use its strong market position to raise the prices, and this could increase their profit margins and free up more cash. Although TSMC stock is pricier than usual, its growth potential makes it worth the cost. It is not just about AI and its important role in the growing tech ecosystem. A rebound in the smartphone and also the PC market is expected to give TSMC a financial boost. Plus, TSMC also pays a dividend to its investors, so it is very good for long-term potential. So if you can want to hold this stock, the stock is also going to give you a dividend. What is one of the concerns that is there with TSMC? Now, the only major concern is the geopolitical issue that is happening between China and Taiwan. China is saying that they are going to attack Taiwan, and if that happens, that is directly going to impact Taiwan Semiconductors. So this is the only issue that I see with the Taiwan Semiconductors. Now, what do you think? Is this stock a buy? Personally, I feel this is a great buying opportunity for you. Zach also gives it a rating of a buy, so I definitely think it is a good stock to hold for the next couple of years, and this is also at a good price point. I would recommend you to make a position in the stock, and then slowly, if the price goes down, you buy more stock and reduce your dollar cost average. So this is a great buying opportunity, and I have highly recommend this stock to add to your portfolio. Now you tell me, what do you think about TSMC? Do you think it's a buy, hold or sell in the comment sections? And if you like such kind of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate you stopping by to watch this video. Hit that subscribe button because it really helps me a lot, and it motivates me to create such kind of videos in the future. So thank you very much and have a wonderful rest of the day, and don't forget to hit that subscribe and the like button. Thank you.